Oh, man. All right, guys, let's kick things off with Peloton. They reported earnings yesterday, marked the 8th straight quarter of the company failing to make a profit. However, it's third quarter in a row of the subscription service surpassing equipment and revenue. Garrett, the CEO, noted that this is a topping point for the company as they push more into their apps and subscriptions. So do you think this pivot is going to get investors back in the stock, or is this just straight up garbage short squeeze?
Stock's up 100% to start the year. 100% to start the year. F score of 2, massive debt problems. This is a company that if it were to be bought out by Nike, it should be bought for about $6. So investors trying to pile into this stuff, price of tangible book at 30, EV or negative EBITDA. Sounds like a great investment, everybody. Might as well just light your money on fire. But you could trade it away. I'm not. You couldn't get me to invest in this with your money.
Sean, would you touch Peloton with a 10-foot pole?
Peloton and Carvana are my biggest holdings right now. I mean, I have so much money invested in them. I'm getting ready to retire again. No, I wouldn't touch this. This is a trading stock. This is everything Garrett's saying. I stand behind him 100%. He's 100% right. The problem is, you can be a pessimist and be happy with that, or you can be an optimist and make money. You just have to be optimistic that the Fed. It's no longer follow the Fed. It's now fade the Fed. And everybody knows that. And that's why things are going to continue to go up. Go long everything, people. Just use stops, because there's no telling how long this market can continue to feed on itself. We start getting the FOMO crowd, and there's probably $2.5 trillion on the sidelines. Start to come off the sidelines. This market can go a lot higher. Is it going higher for the right reasons? No. It's going higher simply because there's just been a lot of inactivity. People are like, well, I missed the first 5, 6, 7, 10+% on the NASDAQ, and they're going to start coming in. Valuations don't matter anymore. What matters is you got to get in the game. Otherwise, you're going to get left behind. And so, yeah, buy anything you want, people. Just put stops in, because there is going to be a come to Jesus moment.
A come to Jesus moment. Hey, but was this sell-off just buying the news of the recession, and now we're cashing in? Anyone?
What recession? That's part of the problem, is nobody sees recession. Everyone's looking at Goldilocks and as a worst case scenario, soft landing as more than likely, if not what landing? We're not going down. We're going up. The economy is going to pick up steam, and everything is going to be fine, and inflation is going to come down. These are the narratives right now that are driving investors to buy pretty much anything, and a lot of them are just fanciful. So it's have fun while it lasts, people.
We were in a recession in previous periods where the markets rallied massive levels. And I keep saying it. Powell spoke a little bit about infrastructure money coming off the sideline and things along those lines. Like the GDP number, if you believe that the real economy increased by 2.9% in the fourth quarter, I have a bridge to sell you, because the stuff that matters, the stuff that's the real economy, the durable goods and the housing, were down 5.5%. And if you do that multiple times, that is a shadow recession. But you've got this top line spending, you have the selling of oil that helped propel for the last 5 months from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. You had so look, the market and everyone else and the people who are not spending their time like I am for some apparent reason reading all these GD reports, they only see positive news. So they're going to trade it positively. And I can't let my bias as an economist muddy my view of it as a trader. If I do that, I'm going to be poor.
You're going to put your rose-tinted glasses on. That's why Garrett is so mad about making money right now.
I hate making money in this market. It's irrational.
Well, I'll say this about that, Garrett. As far as being
I can send it to you, right?
Pessimists are often right. Optimists are often rich. And so you got to be optimistic here and just ride the trend.
That's good.
I
Should put that
it.
on a shirt on our money.
Yeah, we're trading like I'm as rich as an optimist right now.